Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, ayan, gagawa tayo ng dumpling. Ayan, dumpling pork. Ito ang aking mga ingredients for today. Ang pork, giniling, may sibuyas, at ang carrots, ang ating spring onion, ang ating mushroom, at ang ating coriander, at ang ating corn flour with little bit of sesame oil and of course egg and salt and black pepper, and also I add the chicken stocks. Yan ang ating mga ingredients for today guys. Ayan, hinahandahan ko na para masundan mo. Ayan, mix na natin lahat. Let's mix it together. Ang ating pork with onion. Add din natin ang ating carrots. Ang ating spring onion. Ang ating mushroom. At ang ating coriander. Ating black pepper. Ang ating salt. At ang ating chicken powder. At ang ating sesame oil para mabango. At ang ating corn flour. Then yung egg, 1 egg. Add 1 egg guys. And let's make it together. Mix lang natin guys. Imekos na natin. Ayan. And then eto kung paano magano. Lagyan muna ng tubig sa gilid para magdikit mamaya. Ayan. Ganyan ang pagtupi ng dumpling. Ayan. Buhol-buholin lang kuno para magpormang mag-shape siya ng ano. Ayan na guys. 1-0. Basahin muna natin yung ano, gilid niya para magsarado pag tinupi na natin. Ayan, ganun lang, paulit-ulit lang. And there we are. Ayan. Basahin na muna natin guys yung gilid. And then after that, lagyan natin ng pork. And this it is. Ayan. Mahabang video to guys. And again guys, thank you so much for watching again my simple video and my simple recipes for today's. And sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan guys, please subscribe my channel. And leave a comment also pag nagustuhan nyo. Thank you. See you again guys on my next video. Thank you so much for the support. God bless everyone guys, and bye. Thanks for watching guys. Ayan na guys, I am done. Thank you so much guys. Goodbye.